welcome back, guys. This is just Freddie. I've got a shock for you. I'm not sure what to do. You know, we're not going to move from Thailand. We've had an offer on our house. Someone coming to look at our house because the builder likes to show our house off what he's building. So, but they made an offer to us. Very good one too. So anyway, guys, I've never showed you around my barn. Let's go around and have a look at it and tell me what you think it's worth. I don't know. You know, it's our family home, this is, but we'd look forward to seeing what your thoughts are. So don't forget to subscribe, the old bell. Let's get around there and let's have a look at the meat, guys. See what you think of my barn. All right, we're going to start the tour around my barn now, guys. And we're starting the garden and swimming pool and the outside where the patio is. And obviously where the motor's parked as well. Let's get in there and have a look, shall we? There we are, guys, a 6 metre by 4 swimming pool. You know, we've had all those tiles. That swimming pool is, I don't know if you've seen any of my other videos, we had to change the depth of it because of my boy. So it's from 1.6, I think it was, to 1.2. But, you know, a marvellous builder we got here. Really good guy is actually Mr. Gunn. You can see around, you've got a bit of a patio there. We have, you know, a bit of fine dining, if there is such a thing for us, you know, fish and chips maybe. And if directly in front of you, we're going to have a look inside there in a minute. That's where your tables and chairs, so we can sit out there. And that's where we park our motor a lot of time, because it's the sunshine. There we are, there's the entrance. And remember, what's that entrance there is where we had that trouble with those snakes, you remember, guys? Anyway, never mind today. Let's get back inside that building and see what we can find. Anyway, you give me your assessment, what you see so far. Am I fired? Or is it a good what you can see, guys? But, you know, like I say, we're very happy with the builder who'd done this. And there's a bit of a tropical garden we got there, eh? How do you reckon of that, eh? Don't have to go to Kew Gardens to get that, do you now? And you can see we got, it's not Mount Fuji you can see in the front there, or the telephone wire, but we got all jungle all around us actually. It's and we got big private houses as well, but you know, something posh about me or my family, which normal working people come to Thailand and make the best of it. There, look at that, guys. Let's get in there, innit, eh? Well, there's our kitchen, guys. I don't think you've ever seen it completely finished. That's the kitchen units, what we had fitted. I think they were something like, I think about 90,000 baht completed. All those units there. And we got a stand-up fridge freezer there. So, and also you got a hob, which you can just see in front of you just there. And also extract fan for the old smells what you get when you do a bit of cooking. Yes, that's pretty, but this is, you know, you've never seen it completed, but that's our kitchen. And you got the other, well, you got our dining table, you know, sort of where usually have all my junk. My missus spent half the night tidying all stuff because we're not the tidiest of people. So that's where we usually have our brekkie, and you know, we've got a marble kitchen table, which is, I suppose, not very practical, but I love it, you know. And the old TV, but we don't watch that much TV, to be honest with you guys. Got the bloody thing, but obviously, Andy, for my boy, it is bits and pieces he can watch on there. And there is our settee, all laid out. There we are. So you can see the whole side of it. It's sort of American style, it is. European kitchen, lounge, open plan. That's the other way to what you can call it, if you like. There we go. So that's pretty tasty. Well, guys, there's the zebra bucket. Yeah, that's where we all sleep. Me, my boy, and my missus. And all doors don't lead to Rome. They lead to my swimming pool. So you know, you've got a swimming pool out there. So my French windows go straight out. During the night, amongst this Thailand, it's winter at the moment, we have those doors wide open, and we got special shutters on the doors to keep out the mosquitoes. So there we are. So we have French doors all the way around us, all really just so that we can see, you know, outside there. You know, it's really nice, it is. Anyway, guys, and of course you've got the patio there, which we've already seen. You know, we've got the umbrella down. We've got quite strong winds here in Thailand at the moment. Swimming pool, yes, what we've had a look at already. Right, let's get back here and have a look, guys. Back at with the 2 bathrooms and the 3 bedrooms now. Bathroom 1. There we are. Toilet, loo, you know, all the things you need. And let's have a quick dip in the pool and we get on and see the rest of the bedrooms. Guys, we can have a quick dip. I can tell you it bloody cold is. And this is all for YouTube. Oh my God. This is cold, brother. Ah! Oh! And I can swim too. Look at this. I show you, this is winter in Thailand. Very cold to water though. Let me have a little swim, hold on. Woo! There we are, guys. But the water is bloody freezing. So what have we got here, guys? This is my boy's toy room. So this is our bedroom 3, this is. You can see he's got you know, slides and toys, you know, nothing what you don't miss out on. So even though he's in Thailand, we got all these toys what we brought from Britain. And yeah, I think the teddies, I don't think they're my boys, I think they're my Rottweiler. They belong to the Rottweiler. There we go. So anyway, that was the 3rd bedroom anyway, guys. So you've seen that. And that is another bedroom which goes straight out. As it generally, all the villas, swimming pool villas, do all go out to the swimming pool, as you can see. So this is bathroom 2 here, guys. You know, usual pan, double sink. Lovely mirror. This is actually my favourite bathroom, to be very truthful, you guys. And we've got a lovely, good size shower heads just there. Very powerful it is actually. The water comes through. So that's our bathroom 2, that is. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little tour around my house, guys. You know, it was a bit of an adventure, me jumping in the swimming pool too. Anyway, we'd like to have your feedback. What do you think the value of my house is worth? Do you think would you pay 4.8 million? We've had this offer from you know, somebody who was looking around the houses here and made an offer to us, and we've only been here 8 months. You know, do we pick up sticks and move and go somewhere else newer and start again? But anyway, guys, till the next time, a new adventure, and we look forward to seeing you. Thank you very much for all my new subscribers and old, and till the next time. Thank you, guys.